Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei GX8 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, find the content that you wish to capture. For me, I'm just going to use the home screen as an example, but you can open up any kind of other app like so. Just have it open whatever it is that you wish to capture, have it on the screen, and once you do, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. You'll get a sound and a image like so, and then it disappears, but it can be found in your photo gallery now. So tap on the photos, give it a moment. I'm launching the app for the first time, so let's get started. No thanks. And there we go. So you can see a screenshot right here, and when I tap on it, it enlarges and you can see the screenshot. And also you can look at, actually no, there is no folders other than however it's set right here, but you can see screenshots and it shows you the shot, and if you capture more it will add them as well. So I just, as an example, add one more, and now if I go back to the app, you will see that there are now 2 of them. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.